Guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks for all the support last night. It really means a lot to me. So I'm back here at work today. I really didn't feel like working, but I made it to the end of the day. So today I was working on these plugs. Basically, they were already all the wire was already pulled except for this one between here and there. So I had to pull this wire between there. And then I was just making up all the plugs. Most of them had two wires in there, power in and power out. Some of them were at the end of the line, so there was only one wire. But I spent like 5 or 6 hours making all these up. So if you look here, they're just everywhere. I got one there, one on the back side, one over there, one over there. That one needed a mud ring, that's for low voltage. One there. I didn't do any of the switches. I don't know if those were ready or not. Got one here. I don't know. You get the picture, but there's one there. One behind the, I think. One over there. So there's these rooms over here. These are like offices upstairs. This is like some kind of business. There's a warehouse down there. This is an upstairs office area for the business. So just more plugs up here, everywhere. And then so basically I made these up, just pigtailed everything black, white, green, and then put all the mud rings on it. The only ones that are different, these are single pigtails, but there are two in the low voltage room that are quadplexes. So basically it's just a double pigtail. So instead of one pigtail, there's two on each, and then the mud ring is different for two plugs instead of one, same box. So yeah, so I'll show you the warehouse here in a second. Yeah, just some more stuff over there, one over there, and then these are the quadplexes right here. So I'll just walk through here real quick. So these have pigtail on each side, these 3 wires right here, these 3 wires right there, and then your double can't think, just the double mud ring right here, 2 gang for each device, 1 device here, 2nd device there. So you got one there and one there. And then we were working on the lights out here, just getting these all measured out. So as you can see, barely, there's one light hanging right there, and then there's the second light right there. We just finished that one. So basically just had to scale out this whole warehouse to try to make these as centered as possible so they're all evenly spaced. So basically I thought this was going to be like just starting, but I guess they've been here a while, and it looks like most of it's already done, so maybe I won't be here as long as I thought. But they're sending me to a different job site tomorrow, one of the old job sites that I was at. So assuming I'll be back here on Wednesday, but I'm not sure. There's a bunch of layout and stuff to do with the lights, so that was pretty fun hanging out with one of my old friends. Not that he is old, but he kind of is. Love you, Mick. So anyways, yeah, so hopefully I get to work on more of the lights, and yeah, so anyways, try to show you more out here. I thought this job site was going to be like 5 times as big, but it actually isn't as big as I thought it was, just when you're out here with the dirt or whatever. If you remember, this was the job site where I was working over there, putting all the 90s up in the ground with the strut from a long time ago. It was probably like 5 months ago, I don't know, 4 or 5 months ago. So anyways, they got the slab poured, they got all this up, the roof's on, everything. So if you are an OG or semi-OG, then this is the same job site. So basically had to wait for them to pour all the concrete, which took a while, and then we're back. And then yeah, so anyways, you kind of bounce back and forth between job sites depending on the status and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for everything you guys do for me, for the support. I appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys back here tomorrow. If you like, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And that'll do it. Check out check out the description for social medias for everything you need or any information. Got any questions, drop it down in the comment section below. And if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos, click the notification bell only if you want to. Thanks guys, God bless, see you tomorrow. Peace out.